Welcome back to MrYouWho. Andy here again. Great to have you back with us today. Guys, so I'm really excited to be bringing to you the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe HS, as you can see here. Now, I'm so excited to be reviewing these, is we did a review previously on the Soundpeats Opera 05 and 03, as you can see here, and found them to be an exceptional pair of earbuds. You see, Soundpeats are a great audio band, but what they do is they produce headphones that are actually a good price so people can afford them. Now, the Soundpeats Air 3 here is only around $60, $70. And you're going to find that for that kind of money, you do get a fantastic pair of earbuds. So we're going to start by doing unboxing so you can see what comes in the box and what it looks like. Then I'm going to go and turn them on, test out some of the features. I'm going to try them on, test out the comfort to see what they're like. Test out the music, test them out and about to see what they're like. And really give you guys an opinion about whether we think these are fantastic value for money. Now, similar to the Soundpeats 03 and 05, we find these to be exceptional pair of earbuds. You see, for the value, you're getting a lot of value. You see they've got 14.2mm drivers, great battery life. They've got the audio LDAC codec in there as well built in, which is really good. You can use them for gaming as well because they're very, very low latency. They fit very well in the ears. And also look at the size of this case. It really is tiny and you're packing so much in this. So anyway, we hope you enjoy the review today. Let us know what you think of the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe HS. And let us know if you want to buy it. Also check out other reviews of the Soundpeats Opera 05 and 03. Anyway, let's jump in and look at it now at MrYouWho. Okay, so here we are having a look at the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe HS. As you can see here, it comes in a box, similar to the previous Soundpeats box we've seen in the past. Quite a nice simplistic design, which I really like. And there's the earbud just there as well. Now these use half in-ear earbuds as well. So it sits in the ears halfway. So we're going to go talk obviously about the comfort about that in a minute. Let's take a look at the box, see what comes in it. So there's a bit about how to set it up. We'll put that to the side. Now straight away, if you look at the earbud case here, now look at that compared to the size of my hand. Now, what I really like with this, I'll just put that to the side, is how small it is. Look how thin that is. So that's my thumb there, and that's the earbud case there. See how tiny it is. It really is small. And in the age of bigger cases, this looks really good. Now the great thing is, even though it's got a small case, you still get 20 hours charge time in the case and 5 hours in the earbuds. So, and there's the Soundpeats logo. Let's have a look now at the earbuds. So we take that open, and here they are now. So you've got 2 hours now. The earbuds are only about 2 grams each. They don't weigh much at all. And the case, I think, weighs about 14 grams. Really is tiny. And look at the size of the case compared to the earbuds. I might bring it a bit closer actually so you guys can see. Look how tiny that is. Now, there's the earbuds there. Now, again, they're half in earbuds, which means they're shorter length than normal earbuds. And there you can see there's a speaker. Now, each earbud has 2 microphones in each, which picks up high-res audio. Now, the earbuds themselves also have 14.2mm drivers, which means they can really kick out some good sound. And they've both got LDAC technology as well. So it means that you get a really good soundstage in the earbuds. And you get to 20 to 40 hertz as well in them, and a high bit rate. So it means you can use them for gaming. They're quite low latency as well. Now, they also have Bluetooth 5.2, which is good. I'm going to go and show you how comfortable these are to use in a minute. Let's pop them back down here. Let's see what else comes in the box. So in the box, we also have, we take that open and have a look. So we've also got the setup guide as well. Now, Soundpeats do have their app that you can use as well if you want to use Jump In. So there's a bit more about the direction setup. They're very, very easy to set up. All you do is just hold down the button there on the case and it pairs with your earbuds. And of course, you've got the charging cable in there as well. So very, very good. They only take about 1.5 hours to charge too, which is good. The charging case with the earbuds actually comes at 36.3 grams, which I think is great. The IPX4 as well, so you can get them splashed and it won't hurt them. Yeah, really, really good. As you can see, very, very nice earbuds. And again, I just love the simplistic design. They don't have wireless charging in them, just to make you aware of that as well. And they don't have active noise cancelling either. So, but then again, for the price, look what you're getting. They really do look very, very nice, don't they? The guy's done a fantastic job. Cheers. So how easy are the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe HS to set up? Well, as you go, here's the case here. You literally just take the earbuds out of the case like so, and then pop them in your ears. So they fit here just like that. Don't know if you can see. Again, they're the half earbuds as well, so you can see how they don't hang all the way down the ears, which I find quite comfortable. We're going to get the other one here and put them in the ears like so, like that. Then again, all you need to do, if it doesn't charge, all you need to do is hold down the button on the charging case there, and it'll charge the earbuds for you, and then it connects to the phone. Now, the great thing with the Soundpeats is it actually has an app in place that you can use to actually do it. So if we go have a look here, you just go to the app, and it brings up the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe, as you can see here, and you can go in and customize the music. So if we have a look at the settings, so here you go. So you've got different preset settings. For example, you've got the bass boost, you've got the I clicked too fast, sorry. You've got the bass boost, bass reduction, rock and roll. The EQ settings are okay. They're not bad. I prefer though to go and use my own customized EQ settings. So actually go in there and actually change it yourself depending on what you want to do. So say here you can actually increase or decrease depending on what you like as well. It's quite handy. But you can also change take off gain function on here as well, disable touch keys, and also take off in-ear detection as well. So very, very basic apps on here. But then again, you don't need a whole lot with the earbuds with doing this as well. So very, very easy to set up. And as you can see, it fits very well in my ears. It's not moving too much. We're going to go out and about shortly to show you what it's like actually using them out and about. But yeah, let's go and do that right now. Actually, let's go and test them out and see what they feel like out and about. So here I'm using the earbuds on a busy road, and as you can see, you can't hear much of the noise, and you can't hear much of the noise of the cars coming around you because it sounds quite clear and they sound quite good. And the good thing is you can hold the noise back, and you can see it's quite noisy in the background there. And yeah, it's a busy road, so it sounds really good. So here I'm using it at the gym, and as you can see, they're not moving at all in my ears, and they're very, very comfortable. And surprisingly, you can't hear much noise from the outside in the gym as well. They feel really good, don't move around at all, and I hardly even know I'm using them. So they're great to use for sport and at the gym and for exercise. Oh, sorry, I got caught up in the music. And for the money you pay for these earbuds, the sound is really, really fantastic. You do get lost in it. The guys have done a great job with it, and I guess it's got very, very good bass, good mid-drifts as well. It's got quite a well-balanced sound stage as well, and that's because I think the drivers they have in place for the earbuds. It works really well, so the music's great, and I really do recommend them. And I think, again, for what you're paying, the sound is great. Now, it's not up there with the Apple AirPods, for example, but you're not paying for that, are you? And I think for the lower price earbuds that I've actually reviewed in the past, these are probably up there among the top for what you're paying for them. They really are good. Now, again, you can also use different functions as well. So if you actually tap on the ears, you can use that to change tracks, put the volume up or down, answer or make calls as well. So they work very well for those functions. Very, very straightforward to use. And as you can see there, you can wear them for hours with good comfort as well. They don't actually work on the ears at all. They sit there and work very, very easily as well. So great earbuds, and yeah, I really enjoy listening to them. Well guys, there you go. Wasn't that great? The Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe HS really are great earbuds. Now, you're not getting all the big bells and whistles like you are with some of the more expensive earbuds in the marketplace, and that's why they've taken a no-frills approach. So you get great sound, great comfort, great battery life, all at a very, very inexpensive pair of earbuds. So if you're on a budget, you don't want to spend too much, then the Soundpeats Air 3 really are good. They won't break the budget. And again, I would like to have maybe had noise cancelling in them and also wireless charging as well. And while the microphones do have microphones in there, as you saw in the microphone test, it probably wasn't quite up there with, something like the Apple AirPods, for example. But then again, you're only paying $60 for them. So value for money wise, you probably won't go any better than using these ones. So again, there's links in the description if you wish to purchase. Again, if you want to support the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also put in comments what you think and check out other Soundpeats reviews. But Soundpeats, you've done a very, very good job with these earbuds. We've really enjoyed reviewing them. Anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.